Disasters. They ask no permission, they give no quarter, and in whatever form, they leave no choice but to endure their wrath. Residents can react in two basic ways. They can go, or they can stay.
Shelter in place is where we ask residents to stay where they are, inside. And it's because the hazard that is outside is more dangerous than staying inside, and so if they were to try to evacuate, they would become victims or casualties. So we ask people to shelter in place, lock your doors, stay inside.
When a shelter-in-place order is issued, it means time is of the essence. It means it is critical that you act and that you act fast.
A lot of people's instinct will be to leave and get away as far as you can. However, if it's something of a chemical, biological type event, it's going to be very quickly upon you. If you're in your car and you're very close to your home or your business, go there immediately. If there's another public building nearby, go there. But if it's something that's going to take a long time to get to because of traffic or whatever the case may be, then you need to pull off the side of the road and just write it out.
Shelter-in-place originated as an emergency response to the uncontrolled release of airborne contaminants. But in recent years, shelter-in-place has expanded in application, taking on an all-hazards role.
Those hazards range from natural disasters such as tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, or industrial hazards. We have a chemical spill, and we have a tank farm on one area of the city that if something bad were to happen there, it could create a potential hazard. And then there, of course, is terrorism and active shooters and all the things that we see in the news here lately.
We're all hazards emergency management. So we look at the big picture, we look at all the different hazards that are possible, and then we bring everything under one process.
Yeah, let's get a shelter in place, let's go.
Shelter in place means hunker down, pronto. It means simply seal yourself in a room with supplies and wait for further instruction.
Well, any government facility can be used as a shelter in place. Any public building, really any store or any facility can give you some protection better than what you would have standing outside.
Fairfax County recommends every household have an emergency supply kit complete with duct tape, flashlight, clothes, medication, food, water, and other supplies.
The sheltering in place room is one that you would want to have duct tape. You want to have that 4 mil plastic. You want to get everybody in your household there, including your pets. You want to turn off your air conditioning system. Once you're in that room, you want to seal the room.
Absolutely key to our response and recovery to disasters is communication. Fairfax County and the other jurisdictions in the National Capital Region rely on an array of sophisticated communications platforms to get everyone on the same page when large-scale disaster strikes.
We have a system, as do all the jurisdictions in this region. Ours is called Fairfax Alerts. And you go to our county website and you look it up, and it's a free service. You can sign up all of your different cell phone devices, email devices, as well as your friends and family. And so if you have relatives that work in the district or in Montgomery County, Maryland, or Prince George's, or in Fairfax, or whatever the case, all of them can be tied into the same system. You want to make sure you have a radio or phone so you can listen to what's going on outside. Once you're in there, you stay in there. Don't break the seal until you're told to do so.
Give yourself and your family the best chance for survival. Stay informed, assemble a kit, and make a plan.
It's not paranoia, it's a step of preparedness. We're all going to have that adrenaline hit. And I will tell you, if something happens, your thoughts are going to be all over the place about this and this and this. Regardless of what the event is, if you have already practiced, you take that 20 minutes and do that little bit of preparedness and you do that exercise. If something really happens, hopefully never will, you're not going to have to sit there and think about it. It'll be more instinctive and you'll have the right materials there. So yes, it's not a paranoia thing. It's you being an adult and being prepared.